In today's video, we will take out the fender of 2021 Volkswagen Jetta. First, we lift up the parking brake, then we will lift up the car. I'm using a 4-wheeler floor jack, so I don't really need to pull up the handbrake. But if you're using the regular jack that comes with the car, you must lift up the parking brake, otherwise the car will fall apart. Once we have lifted up the car properly, the very first step is we take out the screws from the bottom, from right side, then left side, finally from the top. Now before we jump into the takeout process, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure to subscribe and like. We really work hard to make these DIY videos and your subscription will be really appreciated. Now let's jump into the process. We will start taking out 2 screws from the mudguard side. We'll be needing a Torx T25 bit with a small wrench to take out those 2 screws. Third screw is a little upwards that needs to be taken out. Right besides the third, there is actually a 4th screw as well. Fifth and 6th screws are on the bumper side. That also needs to be taken out. Now we slightly pull the fender liner, and there you would notice 2 10mm screws behind the fender. But we do not have enough space to take out those 2 screws, so we have to take out some other screws from the fender liner side, and we ended up taking out 3 extra screws. We notice there's also the 4th screw at the very bottom that also needs to be taken out. Let's make the process easy by turning the tire and take out the screw from the bottom. Now we can slide out the fender liner, and there you would see enough space to take out those 2 10mm screws. Notice we are not taking out the complete fender liner because our focus is the fender, not the fender liner. Using a 10mm wrench, we will take out both screws one by one. Both screws are taken out. Just a little upside, you would also notice another screw that also needs to be taken out. Slide in the fender liner. Open the door, and there you would see a hidden 10mm screw which we have to take out. Screw is out. Now we jump onto the left side. There is one T25 Torx screw that connects the bumper with the fender, and we need to take out that screw as well. That was the only screw on the left side. We slightly pull the bumper. Now we jump onto the top side. We take out one 10mm screw from the headlight side and the other 10mm screw from the windshield side. I'm using an impact gun, but you can use a round head ratchet with a 10mm nut setter if you want. Right in the middle of the fender and the frame, you would notice there are 2 10mm screws. They're also part of the takeout process, and we also have to take them out. The final screw is towards the pillar side, hidden underneath the cover. Here, we have to use a plastic trim removal tool to take out this cover carefully. There we took out the cover. This gives us the access to take out that one final screw. For some reason, they have put 8mm screw there, and we have to take it out using an 8mm wrench. All screws are taken out. Now we gently pull the fender. Bam shazam, this wraps up the takeout process for this fender. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. It will help motivate us making more DIY content. Here are the videos where you can watch our other DIY videos. Feel free to take a look at them, and we will catch you in the next video.